tourist here. I'm at Incheon International Airport and I'm about to head off on a fam tour to Koh Samui. As a marketing specialist at a travel agency, I get to explore some amazing destinations, and this time I'll be taking you along with me to one of Thailand's most beautiful islands. So stay tuned and let's dive into this tropical adventure together. Guys, I finally arrived at the hotel. It's called Santiburi, Koh Samui, and it's absolutely beautiful. Before I settle in and things get a little messy, let me give you a quick room tour. So this is a private swimming pool. Look, it's really big, and there's a dead bug floating there, but it's fine. And also there's an outdoor shower over here. Let me take you inside. So this is the living room area, and they prepared me some fruits and cheese and bread, which is so nice. Also there are some nuts that I can enjoy. If you come further inside, there's this bathroom area and there's a huge tub here. And look at the horse, so cute. Also, I think that's a singing bowl that people use for yoga. This is the shower booth. Quite spacious. And this is the bedroom. And it says, "Welcome to Santiburi," which is so sweet. Oh, and there's a teddy bear here. Ah, so cute. And that's about it. And I think I'm gonna enjoy some late night swim by myself and go to bed. Good morning! It's a brand new day here in Koh Samui, and before our group schedule starts, I'm going to head out to explore a bit on my own. The first stop is Menam Morning Market. I'm gonna check out the local vibe there, and after that I'm going to relax at the beach. So let's go!
one for this one you can see we have two parts จำได้เลยนะว้าวอีกนิดนึงค่ะถึงแรงแล้ว
What would
the sauce of fish. This one for tom kha
The elephant they eat the tree leaf around 70% and 30% they eat fruit, banana.
아빠 먼저.หรือว่าพูดไทยก็ได้เหมือนกันอันนี้มันแอบคลายที่อยู่ในนี้7ใช่ดูนี่ด้วยเป็น7
ไม่ใช่ภาษา
ถึงเงินตายเลยใช่ไหมต้องนิน you're so pretty
It's all organic made from nature ingredient อันนี้เป็นเมล็ดคำไทย
เพื่อที่จะถาม